All right, y'all. This is the map, a global map, where you can see all the HARP ionosphere heating stations that that don't exist. So this is all make believe, boys and girls. This is all entertainment. But that's my disclaimer. Let's go. Let's see where we at. We're in Puerto Rico. Arecibo Observatory. 6 antennas across dipoles. You see the frequency, power consumption. And you can go to climateviewer.org. Common spelling. Climateviewer.org to see these. These are HAARP stations, okay? Now, Millstone Hill, Massachusetts. I didn't know there was a HAARP station in Massachusetts. You do now. And if you go there, you can click here and go to their MIT Haystack Observatory website. All you got to do, we say about putting SHIT in writing or putting a educated twist to anything, who ain't going to look at it. Because ain't no booties bouncing, no titties twerking, and none of that other stuff. No smoke this, smack that. So that rules out 90% of black America. Vandenberg, this is at Vandenberg Air Force Base. There it is. There's an actual picture of the antenna array. What? You kidding me? Yeah, no, I'm not. Let's go a little further south. What? I can't even pronounce that. Jicamarca, Peru. Incoherent scatter radar. Look at this. This is the picture of the array. Look at that. It's beautiful, ain't it? This is the Big Daddy right here. You can't even fly over this joint. You think flying over Area 51 to get you shot down. You see it? That's the Big Daddy in Gacona, Alaska. Look at the power of this station. Look at it. 180 antennas. Look how much power it uses. 3.6 3,600,000 watts. Look at that. Look at the effective radiated power. Look at this. 5 gigawatts effective radiated power. Basically, the IRA is what's known as a phased array transmitter, is designed to transmit a narrow beam of high-powered radio signals in the 10.8 to 10 megahertz frequency range. His antenna is built on a gravel pad having dimensions of blah, blah, blah. 180 towers, 72 feet in height. These are 72 feet tall. It's 180 of them. 72 feet in height. Mounted on thermopiles. Y'all see it. Electric prime powers provide from an on-site power plant. Got his own power plant housing 5 2,500 kilowatt generators, each driven by a 3,600 horsepower diesel engine. Wrap your head around that. My heavy haulers, my big heavy haul truck, to haul the dozers and all that other stuff, it got 600 horsepower. 600. This place got 3,600 horsepower diesel engines. 4 generators are required for operation, and the fifth is held as a spare. I'm telling you, this place is freaking huge. Anyway, y'all can check the details later. Let's go on to the next one. This is 30 miles northeast of Fairbanks, Alaska. Why do they want it so far north? Because it's easier to get it to the other side of the globe when you're at one of the ends, towards the North Pole or the South Pole. It's easier to it's easier to go over the top than it is to go around the belt. It's shorter distance. Look at this. Plasma torch used for experiments and is hazardous. Look at this. Look at this. Even got a little layout how it goes. Satellite, observatory, rocket, a bistatic radar, phased array. They got the whole thing. It's hiding in plain sight. Now, let's keep going. Resolute Bay, Canada, same thing. Not as powerful, but it's there. Y'all can check them out. This is probably stuff that Greenland. Steerable parabolic dish. Norway. Steerable parabolic dish. Of course, the queen can't be outdone. Hello, peasants. You will do as I say. Long live the queen. No, I ain't got nothing bad to say about the queen mom. Nothing. Somebody maybe other, but I don't. Cape D, well, I don't want them black Suburbans following me around. This is in Wales. There's a picture of their array. The Ukraine. Steerable dish. Looked like from the James Bond movie, remember? Russia. Das Vadanya. You know the Ruskies can't be outdone. Look at this. Now look at their wattage. Now compare it to ours. I mean, we burn theirs up. Don't F them. Man, shoot, forget them. Okay. Come on, thing. Can you load a little slower? The American Army, similar to the sword facility, the H.A.A.R.P project began in 1993 there. Okay, let me see. Let's make sure we ain't missing nobody. Tromso receiver array. I'm quite sure there's some countries that ain't gonna be wanting us to know about theirs. There's their dish. That's in Finland. The Finns. Oh, that's the same one. Sorry, y'all. Okay, wait a minute. Come on, son. Okay, another one in Norway. I think we done that one already. No, we didn't. I can't pronounce that. I ain't even gonna try. Must be an island. Must be an island somewhere. They got a website. But this is just for geological research, y'all. We're gonna shoot stuff. Tajikistan. Five-country consortium operates the European Incoherent Scatter Radar Site. Eh. Gee, imagine that. Wait a minute. Details unknown. Well, it's China, of course. It's going to be details unknown. It's freaking China. The Ukraine. Soviet Space Surveillance Station. Okay. That's what they call it now. India. Look at their antenna array. Like I say, if you can control the weather, you can control a whole bunch of stuff. Indonesia. but theirs don't seem to be nowhere near the monsters that we have. Taiwan. Somebody need to get out here with a weed eater. Get that out of there. Japan, you know they ain't gonna be outdone. Multi-channel digital receivers was installed for the study of detailed structures of the atmosphere. Yeah. Y'all get what I'm getting at. Y'all get what we chopping at here. Look at all that water. Look at all that water. Now you trying to tell me we have droughts when you have uh desalination plants so small and so powerful you can put them on a submarine and pump out 40,000 gallons of water. You know what I mean? On a submarine. I mean 4,000 gallons on a submarine. Man, I'd have one right at I'd put my plant right at the damn coast and have my pumps, have my deal set up right there. Notice you don't have any in Africa. None. You don't have any in Africa. You don't have none in Australia. You don't have none on Antarctica because it probably just freeze to freaking death. None on Madagascar. What's this out here in the middle of nowhere? The Marshall Islands. Gee, I wonder who runs the Marshall Islands. You can see it right there. Guess that got to be a limited access thing due to the radiation and everything. Whatever's still left. Anyway, use your illusion. Let your mind work for you. Do you understand what I'm saying? China trying to take over Taiwan. China been fighting, trying to get back Taiwan for the longest. Put it together, y'all. I ain't even going to say no more here for obvious reasons. Put it together. Bye.